part 2 of shotgunning. I'm gonna make a hole in mine real quick. Just make a line, then I'm gonna make a hole, and then you're gonna. What? They just squirted all over my glasses. Oh my god. Shoot.
Stop. What are you doing, man?
You better hurry up. Chink it down. Yeah, make a bigger hole, make a bigger hole. Okay, this is me without glasses. This is me with glasses. Oh my god, that's blurry. There. Okay, let me see it. Yeah, there's definitely gonna have to be another part to it. Oh man. Upsetting. Okay, so the next part will be us shotgunning. This part was us opening up the can. So, well, if y'all don't know how to do this, you should definitely watch the video because it's so fun. But it can be pretty